Thank you so much. I think it's a bit contrast with the vibrant environment outside and with this very quiet and meditative music inside. For the contrast. Yeah, so I would appreciate that you can silent the cell phone. And the second piece I want to play is a short piece. It's called 酒黄. Hard to translate. 酒 means wine, alcohol. 黄 is something like, I translate rhapsody, something like a carefree spirit. So this is a 3rd century piece composed by a guy called Yuan Ji, who was a 3rd century very renowned literati poet. And 3rd century was a chaotic time in China politically. There are a lot of different sections, wars, and but it's a vibrant time for thinking Chinese philosophies and about literature. So this guy Yuan Ji, he tried all his best to avoid political engagement. So he just pretended he liked wines, he liked to get drunk and not engage with active life in order to keep his free spirit and his space and free expression in music. So this piece actually is a beginner's piece, but with improvisational quality there. So I'm going to play this piece to give some style in ancient Qin music. It's called 酒黄 1 rhapsody.